In this problem, we are asked to resequence the steps to put them in the correct order to solve by completing the square. So we have our equation x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 0. This is already in standard form and it's equal to 0, so we're ready to get going. We're going to first find our new c value and add that in and then subtract it. So that'll be our first step. So we're going to have to figure out the new c, which is going to be b divided by 2 squared, or negative 6 over 2 squared, which is negative 3 squared, or 9. So we're going to put in this 9 and this 9. So our first step will look like x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 7 minus 9 equals 0. For the next step, we're going to rewrite this x squared minus 6x plus 9 as the perfect square that we designed it to be, which will be x minus 3 squared. And then we can go ahead and combine this minus 7 minus 9 to minus 16 equals 0. So that's our next step. Now we have to isolate the square. So we're going to add the 16 to both sides. So our next step is x minus 3 squared is equal to 16. Then we need to take the square root of both sides. So that's going to look like the square root and the square root. So we're going to get x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 4. And now we would need to add the 3 to both sides, which will give us 3 plus or minus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So that should help you be able to resequence your steps.